हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर वन शॉट में। तो पहले हम पढ़ते हैं प्योर सब्सटेंसेस और मिक्सचर। एवरीथिंग मैटर, एनर्जी मैटर, substance, pure substance or mixture. Pure substance, element, compound. Pure substances consist of a single type of substance. Pure substance cannot be separated into other such substances by physical method. Pure substances has its own definite properties. Mixture consists of two or more pure substances. Mixtures can be separated into its component by physical methods. Mixture shows the properties of its components. अब हम टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर पढ़ेंगे। मिक्सचर्स कैन also be grouped on the basis of their physical states: solid, liquid, gas. Solid, salt and sugar. Liquid, salt and water. Gas, dust in air. Liquid, mercury and copper. Alcohol and water. Clouds. Gas, hydrogen and palladium. Oxygen and water, air. होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर क्या होता है? इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ सिंगल फेज यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन. एग्जांपल sugar dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixture, it consists of two or more phase, does not have uniform composition. एग्जाम्पल है इसका एयर, सैंड एंड कॉमन सॉल्ट. Separating the components of a mixture. The components of a heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple methods like handpicking, sieving, and winnowing. Special techniques like evaporation. Evaporation क्या होता है? A mixture of salt and water or sugar and water. Centrifugation. Butter from curd. Fine mud particles suspended in water. Decantation. Using separating fuel oil from water. Sublimation, camphor from salt. Chromatography, different pigments from an extract of flower petals. Distillation and fractional distillation, separating components of petroleum. Magnetic separation, iron spins from sand. Concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in a given amount, mass or volume of solution. यदि कुछ सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट हुआ है किसी गिवन अमाउंट में, उसकी मास और वॉल्यूम की सॉल्यूशन हम सॉल्यूट कहते हैं. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन का फॉर्मूला है अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट और अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट और अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. ये दो फॉर्मूले में से कोई एक क्लास. द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड as mass by mass percentage as mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass percentage of a solution. Mass upon solitude upon mass of solution. Mass of solution into 100. Mass by volume percentage of a solution. Mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Types of solution. True solution on the basis of size of solute particle. True solution, salt colloid, suspension. True solution. Homogeneous, size of solute particle is less than 1 nm or 10 to the power of 9 m. Particle cannot pass through filter papers. Stable solution of sodium chloride in water, sugar and water. Salt colloid. Heterogeneous, size of solute particles is between 1 nm to 1000 nm. Particles can pass through filter paper. Stable and settle only on centrifugation. Milk fog. Suspension. Heterogeneous, the size of solute particle is more than 1000 nm. Particles cannot pass through filter paper. Unstable and settle down on its own. Muddy water and chalk and water, smoke in the air. Types of colloids. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. It consists of two phases: dispersed phase, dispersion medium. Dispersed phase पढ़ते हैं क्या होता है. Component present in small proportion. Dispersion medium, component present in large proportion. Particles of colloid are large enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. Thus, they show Tyndall effect. The colloidal particles are moving at random in zigzag motion in all directions. This type of zigzag motion of colloidal particles is called Brownian movement. On the basis of amount of solute, unsaturated solution, a solution which has lesser amount of solute that it can dissolve at a given temperature, is known as unsaturated solution. Saturated solution, a solution which has maximum amount of solute it can dissolve at a given temperature, is known as saturated solution. Supersaturated solution, a solution which can dissolve amount of solute by increasing temperature. Its increasing temperature saturated solution is known as supersaturated solution. On the basis of nature of solvent, aqueous solution, the solution in which the solvent is water, is known as aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution, the solution in which the solvent is other than water, either alcohol or acetone, known as non-aqueous solution. Physical and chemical changes. Physical changes, changes that do not result in the production of a new substances. If you melt a block of ice, you still have H2O at the end of the change. If you break a bottle, you still have glass. Examples: melting, freezing, condensing, breaking, crushing, cutting, and bending. Chemical changes, changes that result in the production of another substances. As in the case of autumn leaves, a change in color is a clue to indicate a chemical change. Half-eaten apple that turns brown. Alloys, a material that has metallic properties and is composed of two or more chemical elements of which at least one is a metal. These cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. However, these are considered as mixture because these show the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. The benefit of alloys is that you can combine metals that have varying characteristics to create an end product that is stronger, more flexible, or otherwise desirable to manufacture. Aluminum alloys are extensively used in the production of automotive engine parts. Copper alloys have excellent electrical and thermal performance, good corrosion resistance, high ductility, and relatively low cost. Stainless steel alloys are used for many commercial applications, such as watch straps and cutlery. Titanium alloys have high strength, toughness, stiffness, and are used in aerospace structures. ये क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो कि आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. ये देखिए, टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर, मेथड ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ, ये मैंने बता दिया है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हमारी पसंद आई हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए. धन्यवाद, आपका स्वागत है.